Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacy. I'm Auntie Stacy. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called A Trip to the Tap. Chloe wakes up early. She is excited to get water. "Come, Mommy, we have to be first today," she says to her mother. She grabs her water bucket. On the way, they meet Nathan and Nadia. They are going to the tap with their mother too. Chloe and her cousins play while the grown-ups get water. "Chloe, your bucket is full," her mommy then says. At home, Chloe takes a bath in the water. Chloe stays with Granny while her mommy goes to work. In the afternoon, Granny starts making supper. She needs more water. She calls Chloe so they can go to the tap. "I can't find my bucket. I looked everywhere," says Chloe. Granny helps her look for it, but the bucket is nowhere to be found. Granny thinks of a plan. She gets a big bottle from the cupboard and fetches paints and paint brushes. Granny makes a bucket from the water bottle and paints it pink. "Here's a recycled bucket for you, Chloe." "Thank you, Granny," laughs Chloe. She is excited to go to the tap with her new recycled bucket. The next day, Nadia and Nathan run to bring 2 bottles to Granny. "Granny, could you please make recycled buckets for us too?" Granny paints their buckets yellow and blue, their favourite colours. Nathan and Nadia are happy.
Whoa! Wow!
The cousins can't wait to show off with their new buckets. This is the end of the story. If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends.